In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a group chat in Microsoft Teams. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to do it right can help you stay organized and easily keep track of your conversations. Whether you're working on multiple projects or managing different teams, naming your group chats appropriately can make a world of difference. Let's dive right into it. First, open up Microsoft Teams. You can do this by launching the app on your desktop or accessing it through your browser. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll see different options such as Teams, Calls, Files, and more. For today's task, you want to focus on the Chat tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a list of all your current conversations and group chats. Next, you need to find the specific group chat you want to rename. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry, you can scroll through your list of chats or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. And here's an extra tip, typing in the names of participants in the search bar can also help you narrow it down faster. Once you've found the chat, click on it to open the conversation. Now that you're inside the group chat, look toward the top of the chat window. Here, you should see the current name, usually displayed as the names of the participants by default. Next to the name, there's an edit icon that looks like a small pencil or pen, depending on your version of Teams. You'll want to click on this icon to begin renaming the chat. Once you've clicked the edit icon, a new window or box will appear, allowing you to type in a new name for the chat. This is where you get creative. Choose a name that's clear, concise, and relevant to the purpose of the chat. Keeping the name under 50 characters is a good rule of thumb, ensuring it displays well on all devices. After typing in your new name, simply hit enter or click the save button, and voila! Your group chat now has a new name that fits its purpose. Finally, double-check that the new name appears correctly in the chat list and within the chat window itself. A quick people tip here: letting your group members know about the name change can prevent any confusion and they're more likely to find the chat later without any hassle. So that's it. You've successfully renamed your group chat in Microsoft Teams. This small change can greatly enhance your collaboration and workflow. Remember that organizing your chats by meaningful names makes it easier to manage communications and track project progress. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you become more efficient in using Microsoft Teams.